Imagine surprising your friends with a DIY project so unique, creative, and unexpected that it leaves them speechless. Today, let's dive into a one-of-a-kind creation, a levitating lamp. This stunning piece appears to defy gravity, turning a simple room into a conversation starter and a showcase for your ingenuity. But behind the illusion, you'll find clever techniques and accessible materials that make the impossible seem possible. To begin, picture a standard table lamp, but with one twist. The lampshade hovers mysteriously above the bulb, seemingly unsupported. The secret lies in using hidden magnets and thoughtful design, a blend of science and artistry. Start by gathering your essentials. You'll need a lamp base, a lightweight lampshade, powerful neodymium magnets, a slim acrylic rod, some strong adhesive, and, if you want to up the wow factor, LED strip lights to add a futuristic glow. First, select a lamp base that is sturdy and has enough room to hide your mechanisms. If you don't have an old lamp to repurpose, thrift stores are treasure troves for inexpensive bases. Next, the lampshade. Choose one made from a light material like paper or thin fabric, so it won't weigh down your illusion. With materials in hand, the magic begins. Carefully disassemble the lamp, removing the original shade. Now, install your LED strip lights around the bulb socket, making sure they are securely attached but hidden from view. These lights will cast a dramatic glow, drawing attention to your floating masterpiece. The secret to levitation is magnetic suspension. Using two sets of neodymium magnets, one inside the lampshade and one hidden in the base, you'll create a magnetic repulsion strong enough to make the shade float. Begin by attaching the magnets to the inside top rim of the lampshade. Then, fix the opposing magnets to the lamp base, positioning them so that the magnetic fields repel. This step requires patience and a steady hand, as aligning the magnets determines the quality of the floating effect. To keep the shade stable, discreetly install a slim acrylic rod running vertically from the base to the shade's underside. The rod acts as a guide, ensuring your lampshade stays centered and doesn't drift. Use clear adhesive to fasten the rod so it's nearly invisible. Guests will be none the wiser. Once everything is in place, test your lamp. Turn on the LEDs, dim the room lights, and watch as your lampshade appears to float, illuminated from below. The interplay of light and shadow enhances the illusion, making it seem as if the laws of physics have been suspended in your living room. Now, imagine unveiling this creation to your friends. As they step inside and catch sight of the levitating lamp, expect gasps, questions, and plenty of admiration. You can reveal the science behind your project or keep it a secret, letting the mystery build. Either way, you'll inspire curiosity, excitement, and maybe even a few DIY attempts of their own. The beauty of this project isn't just in the final effect, it's in the journey of creating something extraordinary with everyday materials. You'll hone your skills in design, engineering, and problem-solving, discovering new ways to blend technology and creativity. And beyond the shock value, you'll have a functional, artistic piece that reflects your personality and ingenuity. So, next time you want to impress your friends, skip the store-bought gadgets and try your hand at a levitating lamp. It's a DIY challenge that delivers on both spectacle and satisfaction, proving that with a little imagination, you can make the impossible a reality right in your own home.